2 FCA, free carrier. The seller delivers the goods to a carrier or another person nominated by the buyer at the seller's premises or another named place. The risk passes when the goods are delivered to the carrier. Example. A winery in France sells wine to a retailer in Japan. The winery delivers the wine to a carrier at a local transport hub in France. The risk transfers to the buyer once the carrier takes possession of the goods. The buyer arranges for international shipping and import duties. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.